College Algebra Warm-Up Workshop, Introduction to Exponents, Objective number 3. So what is an exponent? The definition of an exponent is basically that it's repeated multiplication. So like if I have a base b to the n power, that just means I'm multiplying b times itself n times. B is called the base and n is called the exponent. So let's just look at some examples. That's the easiest way to learn exponents. So here are a few examples. The first one is 4 to the third. This means that my base is 4, my exponent is 3, so I'm going to take 4 times 4 times 4 and get 64. I'm just multiplying 4 by itself 3 times. That's what the exponent tells me to do. The next two problems are the tricky parts. You want to make sure that you pay attention to where the exponent is and if the negative is included in with the exponent. So on the second problem there, I have negative 5 to the fourth. The negative is not included with that exponent. There will be parentheses around the number if the negative is included, like on the third one. So those are two very different problems. The second one is saying take 5 to the fourth and then multiply your answer by -1, or take the opposite of it. So negative of 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So the solution's -625. Very different from -5 to the fourth. The negative does get the exponent. It's included with the 5. So -5 times -5 times -5 times -5 gives you 625. Pay close attention when you have negatives and exponents in problems. It makes a whole lot of difference in your final solution. It's just like absolute value. Where the location of the negative is can change everything. You're ready for your quiz. If you have questions or you get stuck, don't forget help is always just an email away. Good luck!